This video tutorial is about getting rid of the malicious pop-ups by the website browsenext.net. Browsenext.net is a junk site that may attack Google, Chrome and other browsers. This junk site, browsenext.net, tries to make you download and install certain unwanted browser extensions which may function as browser hijackers. If you see these pop-ups by browsenext.net, do not trust them, just leave this deceptive page. Also, I would recommend you to research this system with Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. So, download the application, install it, and then once it gets successfully installed, start carefully researching your computer. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to remove all sorts of other adware or malware type infections which could be the part of your infected computer. So Combo Cleaner will reveal all these possibly hidden threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner Antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.